In this passage, he uses the word comfort or consolation 7 times. He is the God of all comfort. That's how you comfort others, because you've been comforted and consoled by the God who is able. Now, I'm sure you're starting to see where I'm going with this. I mean, we call it comfort food, right? It's comfort food. I need it today. And for a lot of us who are believers in Christ, who are followers, we turn to him a lot. But if it were me, describing my own experience, he wasn't the God of all comfort to me. He was God of occasional comfort, because sometimes, a lot of times, my God was food. That's where I turned for deliverance. That's where I turned for consolation, not him.